channel. So today I'm going to the gym. I just got back from work or whatever, and I got our workout together. Today we're gonna do upper body. Yes, I love upper body. You know. Anyway, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what you're gonna comment about. It's only been like 5 seconds into the video, but you do you, girl. So anyway, we're gonna do shoulders, triceps, biceps, and then I have like 2 back, okay, because I'm feeling a little froggy, you know what I'm saying? I'm just throwing her in. Normally I don't do back with my triceps or biceps and my shoulders. I'm gonna be honest, normally I'll do shoulders and back. I know, but I switched the game up today. I'm just trying something new. I'm feeling spontaneous. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. All right, so my top is from Gymshark. I just wanted to expose my arms just to show off today because I'm gonna be doing arms. And my bottoms are from Nike, and then I have my Nike shoes. I'm going to put them down below if you like them so you can grab them, okay? Because I love fitness apparel. And I gotta run, you guys, and hurry up and get out of here because, you know, Rhonda is waiting for me. Look who we have here, girl. Say hi to them. They haven't seen us in a while. Hey, vlog. But you know what Rhonda said about my outfit? She said that it makes my butt look small. I don't believe that. I don't want none of that negativity in my life. Okay? Don't ever say that to me. That's like the meanest. That's the only thing I got. I ain't got no titties. Like, the fuck? What I'm supposed to do?
Today I'ma wake up a new man, driving a new road, develop a new plan. I'll never be blue, man, whatever the view, man. Go to a new beach and get me a new tan. I'ma write down every single thought. Got goals on my wall, I win, I never fall. I've been gone for a minute, yeah, had to be free. You want it, I got it, so tell me what you need. I'm unchained, unfazed, and unwilling. It's a new day, new world, we all winning. I'm up late, up early, I gotta get it. Keep working, now we gotta make a million. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next. New day, I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in. The grind never stop, you ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never fall. I speak my truth and turn it to law. Do it for the drive, you know it's really my passion. Never gonna stop me, really I'll make it happen. I gotta get up and grab it. The money want me to have it. What more could I say? I'm top billing. I grew from the dirt, guess I had to make a million. I grew up, I swear I rose from the valley. Every day I put the work in, I gotta keep a tally on beat. Pockets stay heavy, when you see me don't leave. Falling days in the streets, had homies in the struggle. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. Go get it, you got it, I see you. I know you could do it.
You got me in my feelings.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna finish up editing this video and go to sleep because I'm tired and I gotta wake up early. Oh my goodness. And it keeps raining in Korea and we keep having to do PT in the rain. Okay, I'm done complaining. I'm done. But anyway, thank you so much, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully you did stumble across my channel. And if you're a female, you're not afraid to lift anymore. You're not gonna get bulky. You're not gonna look like a man. You're gonna be fine and snatchity snatch snatch snatch. Period, sis. Okay. Okay. So go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and comment down below if you learned something or you just want to share something with everyone. You know what I'm saying? Just share it with us. Okay. All right. Bye.